need a mic stand, so this is going to take a second. There we go. So can y'all hear me all right? Or is it all right if the stand's here?
Yes.
Because I wanted to do a magic trick. All right. The thing is, I really wanted to do one of the classics of magic. I don't know if any of you know them, like the linking rings, cups and balls. I picked the straitjacket escape. Now, the only problem with the straitjacket escape is actually trying to find one. Target doesn't have them. Walmart doesn't have them. My grandma said that she'd make me one. She just made me promise that if she went to the trouble of making it, I'd actually use it. So I agreed. But she didn't tell me. She knitted it.
Oh,
Grandma. But I promised, so I didn't have to escape from this thing. Now, Scout, come on up here. Spring Scout promised to time it in. Most straitjackets have straps. We're going to put on these buttons. Let me tie this on. It's fairly comfortable. Good in a nice winter city. You okay back there, Scott? She said it was weird to knit. All of her friends in the circle were doing like hats and sweaters. She's doing a straitjacket. She felt like the odd man out till Lady Gaga's grandmother joined. The circle got kind of interesting after that. I heard some stories. I've got these straps on the front. I'm going to have to stand to the side. Y'all hear me all right?
Yep.
Now, by the way, if you practice this at home and you have cats, don't do this. But, Scott, you mind finding us holding those straps? All right. She got more interesting projects after this. Grandpa's got some, he fishes for rainbow trout. So she knitted him a pair of rainbow waders. He went fishing and get caught up in a gay pride parade. That was awesome. He's going back. Now, playing? All right. Am I in? Okay, good. You're taking a long time back there. I hired a scout.
He's a square knot.
I'd take your hand, but that's not going to happen. Now, you ready for the escape?
Yeah.
Come on.
Woo! Come on. Here we go.
Stay calm. I know, it's supposed to be kind of tight. That's the point of escape. I explained that to Grandma. She said put it in the dryer, so I did. As it is, there's tons of room back here. I could do pretty much anything. I thought of trying to do a show out of this, because you could do a whole magic show.
Oh my God.
Hang on. I got this. Tell you what, I'm going to combine this with a card trick. That way we got something. I need a volunteer. You! Right there, yeah, you can stay seated. It's cool. I just want you to think of a card. Don't tell me what it is. Just think of one. We haven't worked on anything, have we, sir? Nobody but you knows your card? What is it? What's your card? Crap. That just leaves me with the straitjacket escape.